Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. Here I am with Jerome. Jerome, it's been almost 13 months since your hair transplant. Tell us about your experience. How happy are you with the results? And fill us in.
Okay, the experience was pretty much, it was a good experience for, just the overall, just getting your hair done and all that. Because, when you're losing hair, you don't have any hair up here, you're kind of like self-conscious to where you don't go certain places without a hat. You go places, but you don't go nowhere without a hat. You always think of somebody's looking at your hairline or just staring at you and things of that nature, So I didn't even know you can get your hair back, right? So then my girlfriend told me, she was like, "Oh no, you can get a hair transplant." They're doing that now. Like a lot of stars, celebrities and stuff, they're getting their hair back and all that. So she showed me a couple of pictures of certain individuals, and I was like, "Whoa, for real?" Like, you're lying, like, for real. So, I did a little research, and then I came across you guys in Florida, natural hair transplants and everything, and, right? So, it starts to grow, after the first 2 weeks, and then the first month, you're starting to see something, like, I don't know. Then I ain't gonna lie, like the third month, I was starting to come in strong. Like the third month, it was starting to come in. I'm like, oh man, this is pretty good here. Right? So the third month started to come in. And then the fourth month, I was in there. It came in, like the fourth month. And I was like, okay, cool. So, I went through the phase again, up and down. Then I say from the 5th to the 8th month, bam, it came back. Well, when I say Dr. C was like, just let your hair grow out. When I called him, he was like, let your hair grow out. Just let it grow out, let it breathe, just let it go. I was like, all right, bam. So between the 5 and the 8, it just came in. I was like, oh, okay. And then from the 8 to the 12, here I am now. It's all the way in there.
It is, and it is looking awesome. And just your hairline, what we were able to accomplish, put your chin down for us. Let's show everybody. I mean, you have a full head of hair. And turn your head to the left. Okay, and then slowly turn your head to the right. That is awesome. What do your friends and family say about your hair transplant? Or your hairline?
They really don't know. Like, they really don't know. Like, you know what I'm saying? It's so natural. Like, my brother is like, he looked at my hair like, he's like, you got gray hair. Like, this is before I colored it and everything. He's like, you got gray hair. That's all he could say. He knew something was wrong, but he couldn't pinpoint it.
You can't pinpoint it.
Like, it looks cool, you know?
Awesome.
Like, it's all the way in there. Like, I mean, all the way, man. I can go to the store. I can go wherever. Like, just
without
like
a hat. You don't even own hats anymore.
Yeah. I jump up, I go to the store, whatever. No more, oh, damn, they looking at my head. Now it's like eye contact. You know what I'm saying? It's a big difference, though. Like, when you ain't got no hair or whatever, and then you go somewhere, you think somebody's staring at your head. That's all you think about is this.
Exactly.
It's all you think about, like, instead of eye contact like this, you like, to your head. And you're like, man, but then when you get your hair back, it's like this, it's cool.
And you're not even worried about your incision site in the back.
Oh, hell nah. Look, man, I don't know if I can show this part, but can you guys see it?
It looks like a natural hair.
That's what I'm saying. So, I swear to God, I forgot it was even back there. Like, when I talked to you, I don't know, was that like 2 weeks ago or whatever, you was like, how's the scar in the back of your head? And I forgot. Like, you reminded me, like, oh, damn, I got a scar back there. But, you can't see it. You can't see. Even when I had, like, short hair, my hair was at a 1. When I took it down to a 1, you still couldn't see it. It's like pencil thin. It's like hella thin. You can't see it.
Exactly.
It's like it don't even matter. Yeah. I've been twisting it. I've been doing all kind of stuff. So now after this, I kept it out for the video. So now I'm going to braid it up and all kind of little
Not
stuff.
too tight of a braid, please.
Yeah, not too tight. I'm just having fun right now.
And I want you to experiment with it. So for somebody who's thinking about getting a hair transplant, what would you recommend to them?
I would recommend to go ahead and actually do it, though. If you're on the fence and you like, you know, you don't really know, and you know, you having like second thoughts about it and stuff like that, I would actually recommend that do the procedure. You know, I would say, you know, do your research. You have to really understand what you're getting into. You have to understand, though, you know, FUTs, like a lot of people like going with FUE, they like doing this and doing that and all that other stuff. But I'm going to tell you, Dr. Siegel and his staff, man, are amazing and brought me all the way back, as you can see. So, you know, I would recommend, man, where I went, I'm happy. If I was to do it again, I wouldn't go nowhere else but Fort Lauderdale with Florida.
Well, thank you.
See Dr. Siegel and his staff, man, to, you know, give me my nice hairline back and all that stuff. So anybody that's on the fence, man, do your research, man, and the results show you. If you're looking for something like this, and however your hair is like mine or whatever, you're looking for something that you know your hair is going to come back for show, Dr. Siegel is the man for you.
Well, I'm Dr. Siegel. I thank you so much again for volunteering. If you have any questions regarding hair transplants, please reach out to us at Natural Transplants. And thank you so much for trusting in us and believing in us.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.